right, ladies and gentlemen, we're starting off the day, coming up to the parking lot. We got Julius right here in the back.
Let's go.
Chilling. You got the message for the day? The tip of the day?
The tip of the day is don't be slow.
Hey, that's what's up. Alrighty, it says I have 3 carts today, and I have 200 packages and 138 stops. Yes, sir. Sounds good to me. I don't know, but I'm loving this Baba Transportation baseball cap. It's the material and the style of it. Yes, proud to be a Baba. You know what I'm saying? Woo-hoo-hoo. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like it says I got 14 tote bags and yes, sir, 26 overflows. Oh boy, back to normal, baby. Bro, I don't know about you guys, but I'm feeling this baseball cap right here. Thank you, Ian Devin. Whew. Appreciate the baseball cap, baby. Baba Transportation, let's go. Yeah, stay here at Kilinoy area and stay taking my 5-minute break. You know, gotta take your breaks, bro. You can't keep running around without eating a little bit or what you call that, you know, freshen up a little bit. Eat, drink, get it. All right, chilling. Whew, my last stop. Reattempting it. I'm gonna try this one-time password thing. That's one thing that slows me down. One-time passwords and signatures. Hopefully they got the pin. Ooh, done for the day. I gotta go use the restroom. I love this park right here. It's so beautiful. Check it out. Many reasons I love my job, but this is one of them. Like, the views are incredible. You don't pay anything for it, you know what I mean? Driving is a cruise. I just love my job. Handing over packages to customers with a smile. Bruh, can't beat that. Let's go, Baba Transportation. Let's keep it going. Let's go. Oh, done filling up gas. About to give me a treat over here. Every 8 gallons, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, we done for the day. I got Julius in the bag. We made it back just in time.
Yes, sir.
We both.
Another beautiful day on another beautiful night.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Reed. How was your route today?
Oh, it was bomb, bro. I was in Halava, bro, and it was amazing. I like the view and everything, bro.
Nice.
It's a
All
good
right.
day today.
Right on. Well, we out. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Kaiser Permanente over here coming to talk about their insurance and benefits, and so far I'm liking what I'm hearing, and the cost of it is, ooh, I love it. So yeah, I'm thinking of signing up for Kaiser, yo. Heck yeah.